Hi guys, in this video I'm going to give you some quick tips on how to handle on-site repairs for the 755-855 swingo machine. Now before getting started, explain what you were there to do and give your contact a chance to ask questions. The 755-855 are very similar scrubbers. Now the brush is a little larger on the 855, but everything else is the same. Both scrubbers use one TASKI brush or pad driver and a V-shaped squeegee assembly, which both should be raised when not in use. The serial number can be found on the back panel behind the solution drain hose. The 755-855 use two 12-volt, 115 amp hour AGM batteries and an onboard battery charger. They also designed the solution cup to be flipped over to keep the tanks aired out. Now when you get on site, you will either find a power model or an eco model. Let's take a look at the controls on the power model. To turn the machine on, turn the key to the start position. To the left of the key switch are the vac motor on-off, the eco button, the solution on-off, the solution flow control plus or minus, the brush indicator light, the battery charge indicator. Green lights indicate the charge level and a red light means air. The onboard charger status lights. Green means charged, yellow means charging, yellow flashing is almost charged, and again, red means an air. And finally the service light, which comes on after 550 hours of use. You can hold the solution plus or minus buttons for 5 seconds while the machine is on to reset the service light. Now let's take a look at the controls on the eco model. To turn the machine on, turn the key to the start position. To the left of the key switch are the vac motor on-off button, the solution on-off button, the brush indicator light, the onboard charger status lights, the battery charge indicator, and finally the service light. To reset the service light, use the reset keys. There's also a new style eco model that you might see. On the new style, there is no key switch. To turn the machine on, there's a main on-off button. To the left of the main on-off button there are the vacuum motor on-off, the eco on-off, the solution on-off, the battery charge indicator, the onboard charger status lights, and finally the service light. To reset the service light, hold the solution and power buttons. The solution system in the 755-855 start with the solution fill in the front of the machine. Then it travels through the solution control valve. From there, the flow travels down to the standard TASKI solution valve filter assembly. Now the filter is yellow, indicating that it's a daily maintenance point. All TASKI scrubbers have 5 daily yellow maintenance points. The 755-855 daily maintenance points include the solution filter, the squeegee assembly, brush assembly, the screen filter, and the debris filter. The line then comes off the back of the solution valve and to the brush deck. The solution tank can be emptied using the solution drain hose indicated with the blue cap. The brush drive system is controlled by a micro switch that completes a circuit when the brush deck is lowered. A single motor drives a belt to spin a reduction pulley. The pulley then turns the belt that actually spins the brushes or pad drivers. To install the pad driver or brush, position the tool below the brush deck. Now unlatch the foot lever and slowly lower the brush deck. The tool will latch into position by means of several short rotation cycles. To remove, turn the tool counterclockwise using your foot. Now the recovery systems on the 755-855s are fairly typical. The vac motor in the lid creates suction in the tank, which then draws the dirty water through the squeegee hoses and into the standpipe in the recovery tank. From there, the water falls through the debris filter into the tank. Now when the recovery tank is full, the shutoff float will rise and block the suction flow. The recovery tank can be emptied by using the drain hose indicated with the red cap. You can find a ton of support material for TASKI equipment or all other brands of floor cleaning equipment by going to usaclean.com. For any immediate help with any floor equipment, always call 1-800-USA-CLEAN or visit us on the web. From all of us here, thanks for watching.